ìfẹ́ hónúhàn. Ìfẹ́ hónúhàn. Dòdò mímí dò. Ìfẹ́ hónúhàn is coming from the word ìfi, dòre, ẹ̀hó, ẹ̀hó dòmí, inú, remí, àti hàn, dò. Ìfi ẹ̀hó inú hàn. I mean, the word, let's talk about ẹ̀hó, this word. It's coming from the word hó, which means boil. Boil. That is why you call boiled water omi ihó. Right. Oh, show me ihó. Is that water boiled? That means has it reached 100%, 100 degrees centigrade, right? So the word hó is boiling state. So a hó is boiling state, right? That's solved. The word inú is stomach or mind, right? And the word hàn means to reveal, to make known, right? So now let's put it, the word ìfi is the act of. Now, the word fi hàn, which is redo. It can be fi anything hàn. Fi na or pronoun hàn. That means show me. The word fi lékan hàn me. That means show me lékan. Reveal lékan. Now, that's where you get the word revelation from. Ìfi hàn. What is being shown to you. Right. So, fi lékan hàn me, show me lékan. So now when you then say ìfi ẹ̀hó inú hàn, the act of showing, the boiling state of your mind, the act of revealing, the boiling state of your inside, the act of making it known, and that's the word for protest in Yoruba. Ìfẹ́ hónúhàn, the act of showing, revealing the boiling state of your mind. Now, to them use it as a verb is just fẹ́ hónúhàn. Fẹ́ hónúhàn. So this is a noun, ìfẹ́ hónúhàn. As a verb, fẹ́ hónúhàn. Kí ló dé tí ẹ fẹ́ fi ẹ̀hónú hàn? Why do you want to protest? A ní láti fẹ́ hónú hàn. We need to protest, right? We have to protest. A ní láti fẹ́ hónú hàn. That means we have to show the boiling state of our mind. The act of showing, making known, because nobody knows your mind, right? Nobody can tell what is going on in your mind, whether positive or negative. But in this space, you're now saying, hey, I am showing forth the boiling state of my mind. That's ìfẹ́ hónú hàn. Ìfi ẹ̀hó inú hàn. Than to fẹ́ hónú hàn is to protest. See, we have to protest. A ní láti fẹ́ hónú hàn. We don't have to protest. A ní láti fẹ́ hónú hàn. Now, can you use it in 5 sentences? Ìfẹ́ hónú hàn. Boom.
eayoruba.com